How to customize your desktop with Rainmeter. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Today on this tutorial, we'll be talking about adding clocks, system monitors and more to our desktop. Rainmeter is a powerful desktop customization tool that allows you to add various widgets, clock, system monitors and more. For this, head over to the Rainmeter website and download the latest version of the software. It is free and very safe to use. Once you have completed the download, run the installer and you have to follow some of the on-screen instructions to install Rainmeter on your computer. It is quite simple as you just have to tap on next and agree to the agreements. Once that is done, you can open Rainmeter. First of all, you will see a default skin which is loaded. Now you can customize the desktop. To add a clock widget, you have to click on skins in the Rainmeter window and choose clock from the available skins. You can style you like and drag it to desired location on your desktop. In the same manner, you can add system monitors. For that, go back to skins, select system or hardware monitors. Choose the specific monitor you want like CPU usage, RAM usage or network speed and drag it down to your desktop. Similarly, you can customize each widget's appearance and behavior by right-clicking on it and selecting Edit. So this is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.